In this video, I am going to tell you about interface of the Camtasia software. I will tell you about its interface, its timeline, its properties panel and all the panels available in it. So this is going to be a short video. So let's go to the computer screen and start the tutorial. We are now in the software and let me explain first its layout to you. This is all the media annotations, visual effects, transitions, all the libraries that we need is here. This is our viewer where we will edit video and we can see what we are editing and things like that. This is properties panel. When we will have a file here and I will select it, you will see its properties right here. So let me bring some footage here so we can do this more easily and I can show you some things. And like this. Now I have imported two files here and you can see them on the viewer. If I scroll, click and hold this, you can see the scroll like this. So first let me introduce you these options here. We can click here and do project settings and you can see the project settings here. I did the recording in 1440p, so that's why it is showing me 1440p recording here. And you can select the custom width, height, background color, frame rate and auto normalize loudness option. You can select your options and click on apply. And after this, here is the option where you can, if you want to give 3D effect to your video, like if I select here and do this, you can see it is now kind of a 3D effect. So that is used for. Let me Ctrl Z and make the video whole again. And this is the hand tool. If I zoom out, you can see how we can use the hand tool like this. And here is the crop tool. If you want to crop the video, you can select this and that's how crop the video. So these were the 4 options which I needed to tell you before starting. So this was it today for the Camtasia Studio. See you in the next video. Till then, this is Saif Dani signing off.